In a groundbreaking move, PayPal is teaming up with EnergyWeb and DMG blockchain solutions to revolutionize Bitcoin mining. Their initiative introduces green keys for miners utilizing renewable energy, offering incentives like lower fees and additional rewards. Miners can now register on the Green Proofs for Bitcoin platform, showcasing their commitment to clean energy practices. This partnership marks a significant step towards a more sustainable future for Bitcoin mining. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So what do we have here? Bitcoin next leg up has started. Send it to a new all-time high ASAP. As here we could see the motive number phase corrective laddered phase as we are looking into this graph, and that's what is going to happen next for the Bitcoin. The next stop, a revolutionary technology is emerging in Finland. The Finns are now using Bitcoin mining to heat their homes. Learn more in this thread. So Finland is a cold country with a critical need for reliable heating solutions. To solve this problem, the Finns have developed one of the world's most advanced clusters of district heating system. A district heating system provides a heat to multiple buildings from the single source. Heat is generated in plants as a hot water which flows through the underground pipes to individual buildings connected to the system. District heating plants use fuels like biomass, coal, natural gas, peat, or oil. These fuels emit carbon and are often expensive. Finnish district heating system want to replace fuels with a waste heat from industrial processes to reduce costs and carbon emissions. By replacing fuels with waste from industrial processes, district heating plants effectively electrify part of their heat production. And with the help of industrial consumers like Bitcoin miners, Finland can increasingly use its massive nuclear power plant to produce this heat. The best provider of reliable high-temperature water for district heating is Bitcoin mining. Our local partner has already integrated 2 Bitcoin mines with the district heating facilities and is currently integrating a third one. In our new project in Finland, we will utilize the hydro-cooled Watts miner M63S, which can deliver hot water at 70 degrees. As we look forward to showing the world how Bitcoin mining can help heat homes. We now offer hosting in Finland where the heat from the Bitcoin miners will help heat a Finnish city. So that's a really great idea, as I would say. Next up, I've been labeled an extremist by the most outspoken anti-Bitcoin politicians, groups, and media outlets in the world. They hate how effective I am at advocating for Bitcoin. They hate that I bring people from across the political divide. My response, I am just getting started. This is the best moment to buy Bitcoin. When the funding rates are negative, you won't get this opportunity often in the bull market. Bitcoin on exchanges kept increasing from 2009 until March 2020, where it topped out on 315 million Bitcoins. 2 halvings later, we now have 1.9 million Bitcoins on exchanges. That's 26,000 Bitcoins taken off exchanges every single month for 4 years. So the next one, Bitcoin important update. Bitcoin managed to break out from Kijin Blue and from the Kumu cloud. It looks like it's retesting it. If it can remain above that level, that would be very bullish. There is a Bitcoin $2.8 billion short liquidation coming once Bitcoin hits 71,600. Bitcoin is rejecting the moving average 50 resistance on the daily chart. Failure to break above the resistance coupled with the MACD bullish cross as it did in the previous consolidation will lead it to spring test 58,000 level. Wyckoff reaccumulation is still ongoing until it breaks above $74,000. The next one, the Bitcoin liquidation heat map. As here we could see that we're going to the 67,500, whereas more located. We broke the 67,000, took all the short positions. We broke the 66,000, took all the positions. 64K, we took all the positions, and now we are going for the 6750. Then we're going for 70s because we could see as from 68 to 69 there's not much as of now, but maybe there will appear some of them in a short period of time. Breaking news, as on Monday, Bitcoin ETF experienced net inflows totaling $62.2 million, BlackRock $19.7 million, Fidelity $35 million, Bitwise $2.2 million, ArcWise $22.6 million, Invesco $2.7, Franklin $7.7, 1x $7.5, and Grayscale the $35 million of outflows. The next stop, Bitcoin consolidating above the all-time high. Impatient people will get chopped out before the price moves higher. Consolidation might last longer, as seen post-halving in the previous cycles. Until then, don't get shaken out. Just in, another 15 fund managers reported owning Bitcoin ETFs in their filings to the SEC today. As of April 21st, 2024, average Bitcoin mining cost is over 100,000. There may or may not be some dumps, but it is just a matter of time before we see a new all-time high. So there we go, Bitcoin update, as we saw a nice recovery from this local bottom at 60k. However, a pullback wouldn't be surprising. From here we are now sitting at a point of control. We are still expect to see some more sideways movement within the range, potentially even spikes to lower prices, low to mid 50s, depending on the news flows. Also, I can hear Bitcoin speaking to me saying, give me a few more days, I will be trading around $77,000. I don't know if I can trust her, but the chart seems holding well. Possible ranges $77,000 to $80,000. As we get closer and closer to the upper demand zone on Bitcoin, everyone should be cautious. There are a few things to watch for to prepare for the next move. Watch for a breakout above $74,000, this would take us to $80,000. Watch for a rejection around $70,000, $73,000. And if we get the option to move, then we would either create a higher low or the possibility of us tapping the next demand zone around the mid-low 50k region. Don't complicate this too much. Regardless of if we get the pullback or not, we are still expecting higher later this year. PayPal innovates with eco-friendly Bitcoin mining incentives. PayPal's blockchain research group collaborates with EnergyWeb and DMG Blockchain Solutions to incentivize sustainable Bitcoin mining. The initiative introduces green keys for miners using renewable energy, offering lower fees and additional rewards. Miners can register on the Green Proofs for Bitcoin platform, certifying their clean energy use and impact on the grid. PayPal has introduced a new initiative through its blockchain research group to promote environmentally sustainable practices in Bitcoin mining. By collaborating with EnergyWeb and DMG Blockchain Solutions, PayPal aims to enhance the economic appeal of using renewable energy sources in mining. This initiative proposes crypto-economic incentives to encourage miners to adopt cleaner energy solutions. Under this approach, miners who utilize sustainable energy sources will be distinguished as green miners. These miners will be awarded special green keys that link to their public keys, signifying their commitment to environmentally friendly mining practices. So consequently, Bitcoin transactions will prioritize these green miners by offering them lower fees and an additional reward. This reward will be secured in a multi-sig payout address, accessible only to them, ensuring that only green miners can claim this additional incentive. Implementation and impact. The system leverages the Green Proof for Bitcoin platform by EnergyWeb, which certifies miners based on their use of clear energy and their impact on the grid. Miners can register their green keys on this platform, marking their participation in the incentive program. According to PayPal, this method was successfully tested with the DMG Blockchain Solutions, where various low-fee transactions were broadcasted to gauge the system's effectiveness under different transaction volumes. So that's kind of all the information we got for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.